Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. I'm your host Sylvia. What's up guys? So today I'm going to be making this super easy, super quick and super healthy instant oats dosa. And guess what? It has only 2 ingredients. So when you are pressed for time, when you run out of ideas what to make for breakfast and you're super hungry, this is something that you can make instantly within minutes, and this will also keep you full for a long time. So let's get right into the recipe. For this I've taken about 1 cup of rolled oats. Try to get the old-fashioned rolled oats and not the instant oats. And then the second ingredient that I've taken is urad dal or black gram lentils, and some salt for taste, of course. So first let's combine these 2 ingredients together and let's grind it to a fine powder. Now let's pour this in a mixing bowl, and to it let's add a little bit of salt and water. And make it into a dosa batter like consistency, not too thin, not too thick. So our batter is ready. So now take a ladle and heat up a tawa first. Heat up a tawa or a flat pan and grease it with some clarified butter or ghee or oil. Wipe off the excess oil with a tissue paper or a cloth and pour the batter with the ladle and just spread it in circular motion the way you do it for regular dosa, like so. Keep the flame on high and add some ghee on the top and on the sides so that the dosa does not stick and it gets that nice golden brown color. Spread it evenly. Once the dosa is cooked, the edges of the dosa start peeling off from the pan. That's when you know that the dosa is ready to be flipped. So let's do that and cook the dosa from the other side as well. Look at that, it's looking so nice. Let's cook it on the other side for a minute or so, and our dosa is ready. Similarly, make the remaining dosas and serve it with the chutney of your choice. I usually make the peanut chutney with this, so if you want to make that chutney, you can click on the link above. So let's taste it. Look at that, it's so soft and it has this dosa kind of texture. It's full of fiber and protein, which makes a healthy and a balanced breakfast. Let me take a bite. It's really yummy. So I hope you like this recipe. I hope it was helpful, and do give it a try. You can always add the ingredients of your choice, like if you want to add ginger or chilies or pepper or any vegetables, you can do that. So I just hope that you like this recipe. Do give it a try. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. But thanks again for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.